In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3V, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again and tap on Device Unlock. Following that, you need to tap on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods. I will go with Pattern. Then wait 5 seconds, choose Continue in the pop-up, and create it. Then repeat it to confirm it. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!